gonna be okay, all right, Abs?
Ricky!
There's kids in here. You want them out in one piece, just keep away.
Lauren! Abby!
Do he says, Dad?
She's right. Don't do nothing stupid.
Winnie's in there as well!
And Lucy.
Nick, what do you want? Just tell us, all right, and we can sort all this out.
If it's money you want, the till's just there. Take it, okay? Take it and go!
I'll do what I want. I don't need you telling me.
So what do you want?
A car. Who's got a car?
I have.
Please, please, Dot, what is this all about?
He wouldn't do nothing. Not my Nick.
But why is he doing it? We need to know, then we can do something to stop it.
He's a good boy.
Look, come with me, eh? Maybe if you talk to him, eh?
Pull the place, Ricky. Now, Ricky, now!
Oi!
God, dear. It's a bit elaborate, all this, isn't it, just to get hold of a motor? You okay? You could have just done a simple hot one.
Sit down! Sit down!
Lucy!
You,
What?
bring it to me.
Bradley.
Do it!
All right, Abby, listen to me. You get that key, you take it to Nick, and you come straight back to me, all right? But if you touch her, I swear.
What is it? Where?
Silver Ford. Just up on the square.